You eat these foods almost every day, but very few people have seen how they are made at this massive industrial scale. These factories produce thousands of items every single hour, using machines, speed, and precision that feels almost unreal. Everything starts with tons of fresh potatoes arriving at the factory, where they are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and stones. High-speed machines peel the potatoes automatically, removing skins within seconds without damaging the inside. Sharp blades slice the potatoes into perfectly thin pieces, creating uniform chips ready for frying. The slices are rinsed again to remove excess starch, helping make the chips crispier after frying. The slices drop into massive oil fryers, cooking evenly at carefully controlled temperatures. Excess oil is removed quickly, keeping the chips light, crunchy, and consistent. Seasoning drums spin gently, coating every chip evenly with salt and flavor. Advanced systems scan the chips, removing broken or overcooked pieces automatically. The finished chips move toward packaging lines at incredible speed without human contact. Air is injected into each packet, protecting the chips during transport. Packets are sealed, labeled, and sorted, ready for global shipping. From raw potatoes to finished packets, the entire process happens faster than most people imagine. Large sheets of cookies are baked first, forming the top and bottom layers of ice cream sandwiches. Huge slabs of ice cream are frozen solid to prevent melting during the cutting process. Precision machines slice the frozen ice cream into perfectly even portions every single time. The ice cream pieces are placed between cookie layers, forming long, continuous sandwich strips. These strips are cut into individual sandwiches, all identical in size and shape. The sandwiches pass through freezing tunnels to lock in their shape and texture instantly. Robotic arms wrap each sandwich carefully while maintaining incredible production speed. Each sandwich is checked for weight and alignment before final packaging. Thousands of ice cream sandwiches are packed and prepared for cold storage. All of this happens within minutes inside fully automated ice cream factories. Melted chocolate flows through steel pipes, maintained at the perfect temperature. Chocolate centers move along conveyor belts, ready to be coated evenly. This process is called enrobing, where liquid chocolate completely coats each bar. Excess chocolate drips away, leaving behind a smooth and uniform layer. The bars enter cooling tunnels, allowing the chocolate to harden perfectly. Robotic systems align the bars neatly for fast and precise packaging. Every package is scanned to ensure accurate labeling and tracking. Hundreds of chocolate bars are packed every minute inside these factories. Perfect consistency is achieved through automation, precision, and speed. Everything begins inside huge industrial vats, where liquid candy mixture is slowly cooked under precise temperature control. Mechanical mixers continuously stir the mixture, ensuring even color, texture, and sweetness throughout the batch. The hot liquid candy flows through pipes, moving directly toward automated molding machines. The mixture is poured into thousands of molds, forming shapes like bears, fruits, and rings. Each mold travels along conveyor belts, allowing the candy to settle evenly inside every shape. The filled molds enter cooling tunnels, where cold air slowly solidifies the candy. This cooling stage is critical, giving gummies their soft yet chewy texture. Once hardened, the gummies are released from their molds without any human contact. The candies drop gently onto moving belts, maintaining their shape and detail. Rotating drums coat the gummies with oil or sugar to prevent them from sticking together. This step also adds shine, making the candies visually appealing. High-speed cameras inspect every candy, instantly detecting defects or irregular shapes. Any imperfect pieces are removed immediately, ensuring only high-quality gummies continue forward. The approved candies move toward weighing systems that measure precise portions. Exact amounts of gummies are dropped into packaging machines at incredible speed. Each packet is sealed tightly, keeping the candies fresh and protected. Finished packets move along conveyors, ready for boxing and shipment. Robotic arms stack the boxes neatly, preparing them for storage and transport. All of this happens continuously inside massive candy factories operating day and night. What looks fun and simple is actually the result of advanced engineering and automation. Factories like these produce millions of food items every single day around the world. If you enjoy watching how everyday food is made, subscribe for more satisfying factory processes.